Design magnetic business signs. As an entrepreneur or salesperson, you need to have various marketing and promotional materials to advertise your business. The key is coming up with a sign that is eye-catching for your customer. One of the most useful promotional materials you can utilize is a magnetic business sign. These signs are placed on the side of a car or company vehicle to let other people know that your business exists. Real estate people, repair service business or landscape artists can all use magnetic business signs that can be placed on their company vehicles. Here's how to design a magnetic business sign. Determine where the sign will be placed. Most magnetic business signs are placed on company cars. The most ideal location is on the driver and passenger side doors since it is the most visible to other drivers and pedestrians. You need to keep the door's dimensions in mind when making the sign. The side of a van door will be bigger than that of a passenger vehicle. Also, the color of the vehicle you will place it on will affect the visibility of the sign. Once you know where you will place the sign, you can determine the dimensions of the sign. Prepare the information the sign will have. The most important information to place on the sign will be the company or business name, the logo, and the contact number. Some signs have the name of a specific person to call, such as a real estate agent. Decide if you want to include the slogan of the company because this makes it easier for customers to remember your business. The slogan of the company also sometimes gives a description of the type of service the company provides. Remember that the point of the sign is to generate interest, so don't give all the information away. For example, don't put the price of your goods or a list of the inventory that you sell. It's better to make a general description of what you do or provide than do the hard sell when the customer calls. Also, always remember to proofread your final phrasing. Choose eye-catching colors. Choose a font color that is easy to read and easy on the eye. Avoid using fuchsia or other colors that may look too glaring so that the reader won't turn away from your sign. The sign has to be attractive. Red and yellow are the most popular, but it will depend on the color scheme of your company logo. Keep in mind that some printers may charge per color, so keep it at a minimum, usually no more than 4 colors. Decide if you will include a photograph. If you are strongly identified with the business, it's a good idea to put it on if there's space. Salespeople may also benefit from placing an eye-catching photograph along with the name and contact number. Use Adobe Illustrator to lay out the design. You will need to have high-resolution .jpg files of your pictures so that the layout artist can simply import the pictures and files you want to use. When you do a layout, check that it is visually balanced. If it is too text-heavy, your reader may get bored. Look away. Save the file. Check with the printer to learn which format they use. If you don't know how to do this, let your printer do it for you or use the services of a professional magnetic business sign maker. Be sure to proofread your sign before you give the final go-ahead. Once you have it, install it properly on the side of the vehicle. It's now ready to do its magic.